Oh no, I hope I don't fall. Oh no, I hope I don't fall. I bought this at the flea market. It's a thumbnail. It's so cute. It's so fun, but it is cute. It's called Popin Cookin. It's from Japan. And I want to try it out. I seen it. I used to always watch these little videos when I on YouTube. When I wasn't doing YouTube, and I finally found one, and I was like, we might as well do a YouTube video on this. So, like and subscribe, comment below, and comment more like Popin Cookin little dishes I can order from. And if y'all want to see more of these videos, just comment. We about to have a little fun, but let's see how you do this. So the instructions is on the back, if you can see it. And this dish is a Toshi bento. So it got broccoli, rice ball, spaghetti, arrow, sausage, fried chicken, panda rice ball. So we just go ahead, we gotta make it. So you open it right here. We're gonna go ahead and open it. This little package look like so cute. Good. This is so cute. It's like a little. We're gonna need this box to see what we gotta do. But I'm gonna go ahead and open it. It comes in this little rice ball candy powder. It's got the little powder stuff, spaghetti. This is the sausage candy and the arrow powder. This is the broccoli. This is the fried chicken. I wonder how this gonna taste. And then I got the seaweed candy powder. So I feel like this gonna be good. It might be good. And then they got the little tray for everything. The first thing we gotta do is make a broccoli. Add a full triangle cup of water to the section. Add a powder of green packet. Mix it and become firm in 3 minutes. I guess. Oh, this little triangle cup. To make a broccoli, add a full cup, so I gotta cut this out. And I guess this is my little tray right here, and this is number 1. So add a powder from the green packet and mix it, and it becomes firm in 3 minutes. So you see this little thing right here? This is gonna be the broccoli. I guess go right down. Thanks, Slat. Slime Slat. My boy half dead.
Cut that bitch off. What finger did you hold?
My bad. Appreciate it.
Y'all see this? This is where Ellie bit me.
Nah, I ain't do that.
And she burnt me.
He got burned by the firecracker.
Nah.
Ah! So I'm gonna go ahead and put the broccoli in the thing. I gotta put water in it.
Don't catch Corona.
Ah, he's racist.
I'm not racist.
I think Corona came from China, not Japan. It's a difference.
Nigga, that shit come from China. Where you think that come from?
This is from Japan.
Guys, tell her in the description. I don't think she knows.
It's from Japan. This is from Japan.
No. That's from China.
No, it's not.
No. It's from China.
So I'm gonna put it in the little broccoli thing.
12. I say it is. Ain't that right, y'all? 12.
It's just powder. Y'all can't see it.
Stank a little bit.
So let me smell. Oh, it smells good.
Oh, it do smell good.
Might be good. It might be good. You know they got other dishes. This is just this is just spaghetti. Damn, I don't need this blowing.
You said your money.
I said I don't need this blowing. Ah, okay. So this is what we're gonna do.
I gotta have the cup.
No, I don't.
That's you had to cook that.
No, I mean one. I seen one person cook it. I used to watch this show.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
It's a pretty green color.
Yeah, it's green.
Yeah.
But I watched this on YouTube like I don't know when. So long ago. I used to watch this type of stuff.
Well, you can have fun with that.
But one of them you gotta put it in the microwave.
Ooh, that ain't candy then.
Yeah. No, not on this one. This one you just use water.
know, it's just-
But I think they got a pizza one that you gotta put in the microwave.
And it's candy.
Yeah,
I wouldn't eat that.
I wouldn't eat
And
it
give you
either.
some radioactive cancer. Tell you to a dying lizard, like Godzilla or some shit.
Ah! But yeah. Oh, man. A little bit got on the
That
side.
junk green.
Yeah.
It's a purgatory.
It smells good, though.
It smell alright.
It's kind of turning slimy. Green and it's gooey. I don't like this taste. I don't know about this. It's a little... Okay, step 2, make an egg roll. It says add a full triangle cup of water in the number 2 section. Where's number 2? Oh, right here. The egg roll in this little section right here. Right here. Okay. About to do it. Oh, I don't even gotta cut this. It already got a little slit. This one smells kind of weird. Let's see what it do. So this is number 2. We're gonna put it in this. It got a little grit, so I guess it's gonna turn into like the egg roll. It's not a lot in this. Where my little triangle at? In blue. Ah! Ah! Fuck. This is a disaster.
Already? I just left for 2 seconds.
Yes, it's a disaster. I'm gonna put it in the thing.
That's them grass out here. That's all this grass out here. You wasting on the table.
Oh my god. Leave me
juice, man.
alone.
It's gonna be sticky. That's go laugh.
Okay, that's not gonna go away from me no more. So I gotta make this, put the water in it, and try to. This is what this look like.
Good, y'all. Alice eating burgers.
You gotta, if you see it, and let it firm, but you see it. I don't know what this is, but okay, next step. It says make sausage. So add a full cup of water to the section 3, which is this one. And add powder from the red packet and mix it until it becomes firm. So, I'll do this package. We're gonna see how this goes. Come on, the water going on. Ah, it's red for sure. So, it smells good. The red smells the best. The sausage smells the best out of all of them. Typical. I guess you just stir it. I'm gonna keep stirring it. Ah! Y'all see the little red? This is so cute to me. I always want to visit Japan. I'm gonna eventually visit Japan soon. But I always wanted to visit Japan. That is my country. I know they'll be staring at my ass if I go, but I always wanted to go. This is what it look like. So, they said this is a sausage, but I don't know why I got the little face down there. Okay. I ran out of space, but I'm back. Step 4. Making an original rice bowl. So add 2 full triangle cups of water in section 4. So this is section 4. It's bigger. From the blue packet, mix until thick. Divide the rice in half. Form a rice ball to match shape and size of the package pouch. triangle water. So we gotta do that. 1. 2. Candy powder. This one. Put it right here. Get all this stuff. Ooh, it's a lot. Damn, I keep falling. It's a lot in this one. I'm gonna keep mixing, but I'm gonna go ahead and add this. It's like a little panda thing right here. And then I'm gonna add it right here. And right here. So I'm gonna already add it. So when I put the rice in them, it's black. Camera so y'all can see it. This is what it look like so far. And I guess just, you know, make it like this. This is lightly press the triangle rice ball into the small spaces. So I'm gonna do this. Okay, I'm gonna let it sit there. I think that's how it's supposed to be. I hope I did it right. So I'm gonna put it inside right here. It got a different taste to it. This ain't no American candy. It tastes a little different. So, see the little black thing? I'm gonna add it to that. Turn out as expected, but yeah, you see it. Is the fried chicken. It's a pretty lot. Chicken. It will look like shape it to like a little fried chicken. Like a little thing. Ooh, look like a little fried chicken. Fried chicken. But it's the fried chicken. Let me go ahead and do it. I'm gonna put the powder in the bag. The wind blowing. So I just cut it. So it's supposed to turn into spaghetti. We're gonna see. So I got a plate. I'm gonna go ahead and put my chicken wings down. My penny ball. The rice ball. Oh my God! Bro! The whole wind just blew all my shit up. Bruh, I can't eat this shit now. But it's okay. It's alright. Don't blow none away. Bro, y'all. This is the sausage. And then so this is what it looked like. So this is the broccoli, this is the arrow, this is sausage, this is the rice balls, the pan of rice ball. That's the chicken wing, and that's the spaghetti. And this is what it's supposed to look like on the box, but it didn't quite look like that. But the chicken wings actually look like it's fried a little bit. So I'm gonna try I guess I'll try this. That's some nasty stuff. Okay, I guess I'll try the spaghetti. That's nasty too. But it's just too sweet. Okay. It's the egg roll. Whew. So that's all, folks. But yeah, so please like and subscribe. Comment below. I got so many videos coming. Just comment how y'all feeling. What's been on y'all mind? What's been on your mental down below, so I can address some of y'all's issues and y'all problems. But love, peace, and happiness. And it's Pluto gang or no gang.